Art and Craft. Art and Craft Shop with Arts and There.
Hi friends, I'm Jagan from Rajnoho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you about the electric eraser from Montmart. These are electric eraser. Why they are telling is they are battery operated. These suit perfectly for pencil drawing work and technical drawing. Now I'm going to unbox this and show you how they work easily. A small demonstration. And please subscribe to my channel so that you will be getting regular updates of these kind of tools. I like the handles in them. It is very easy to hold, and this is the eraser and this is the machine that we are going to see. There are 30 replaceable eraser bits, each is 5 mm in thickness. The motor inside the machine works with full speed, and you can put 2 small batteries in this, and there is a switch also. When you press that, the motor get triggered. And this one is with a 5 mm eraser tip. You can quickly and easily erase even the small areas of your pencil drawing without disturbing the other areas. So now I am going to put the 2 batteries inside. These are AAA batteries, very small size batteries. One is a plus and minus. You have to carefully put it like that. I like this handle, especially in this electric eraser. It is easy to handle and you can get a very steady control till you finish your last artwork. So now I have installed the battery. Now you can see here the electric eraser is ready for use. This is the switch. You have to just trigger it and then the machine will start working. It will just roll in clockwise direction. You can see how we can replace this eraser also. Just you have to pull the tip outside and there will be an opening like this. Then you can replace it with the other eraser. Working with this electric eraser is really a fun and also very easy, and you will be getting a very realistic, unimaginable artwork. If you put more pressure, there will be a very good result, and less pressure, it will be a lighter result. Now we can see in this peacock, you can see here I have put a light pressure and there is a lighter effect, and all other sides here you can see here these are the heavy effect. If you put more pressure, you can get like these effects. Like these you can't do easily with your pencil drawing or all other things easily. You can do it but not so easily, but with electric eraser you can do. We are also taking pencil drawing classes, and to get this electric eraser, please WhatsApp us or get in from our 2 websites. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.